Hello and welcome to NDTV. I'm Rohit Khilnani. Joining me are some of my favorite lyricists, Varun Grover, Swanand Kirkire, Kausar Munir और अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य. Thank you so much सबसे पहले समय देने के लिए.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Pleasure
you.
being here.
Thank you.
Though
Thank
I
you.
wish I had come and interviewed you all for a much happier occasion, but we'll do that also some other day. I'll start with you, Varun. What has got all you guys together? There are people watching. Would you like to tell them? Because from my understanding, जब मैं कैसेट खरीदता था और पहले रेडियो भी सुनता था, तो मुझे पता चलता था किसने गाना गाया है, किसके बोल हैं और कौन सी फिल्म का है. At what point did all this get lost?
ओके तो असल में अगर बहुत पीछे जाएं तो बहुत लंबी लड़ाई है ये, पिछले 60 साल से तो चल रही है ये कम से कम. सो इट्स अ वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग स्ट्रगल व्हिच वी हैव नाउ अगेन पिक्ड अप, and it has been constantly been picked up by different lyrics writers at different stages of our हिंदी फिल्म हिस्ट्री. तो बहुत पहले रेडियो पे जब गाने आते थे 50s में, तब भी एक वक्त ऐसा था जब लिरिक्स राइटर्स को क्रेडिट नहीं मिलता था. शुरू में सिर्फ एक्टर्स को मिलता था, रेडियो पे भी. फिर उसके बाद वो वक्त आया जब सिंगर्स को और कंपोजर्स को मिलने लगा, लिरिक्स राइटर्स को नहीं मिलता था. साहिर साहब एंड मेनी अदर कंटेम्प्रेरी लिरिक्स राइटर्स ऑफ दोज टाइम्स वो इस बात के लिए लड़े और रेडियो पे क्रेडिट आना शुरू हुआ. एक परंपरा बन गई कि रेडियो पे लिरिक्स राइटर का भी नाम आएगा. जब ये मामला रेडियो से शिफ्ट हुआ, फिर कैसेट्स आने लगे, कैसेट्स पे क्रेडिट होता था. बट व्हेन वी मूव टू डिजिटल स्पेस, दैट इज यूट्यूब एंड वेरियस स्ट्रीमिंग एप्स, स्पॉटिफाई, गाना, अमेजॉन म्यूजिक, एप्पल, तो इन सब पे अचानक से दे डिसाइडेड दैट लिरिक्स राइटर्स आर नॉट रियली दैट इम्पोर्टेंट एंड वी डोंट नीड टू गिव देम क्रेडिट. इट इज देयर ओन व्हाटएवर प्रेरोगेटिव इन अ सेंस. जहां पे देने का मन किया वहां दे दिया, जहां नहीं किया वहां नहीं दिया. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस नहीं दे रहे हैं. सारे स्ट्रीमिंग एप्स पे लिरिक्स राइटर्स के क्रेडिट गायब हैं. दे डोंट इवन हैव अ कॉलम फॉर लिरिक्स राइटिंग. They have something called a songwriter, which coming from a Western point of view is simply composer. Most of the times in West, it is the composer who writes the song, the music as well as the words. So lyrics writer का credit गायब है सारे streaming apps से. And we decided enough is enough. पिछले 3 साल से हम लोग लगातार इस पे बात करते रहे हैं. Various forums, interview, on Twitter, we are calling out companies कि हमारा credit नहीं है यहाँ पे. But now we decided, okay, this is the time for whatever you can call it, a last ditch effort or something, or a final battle or whatever, is a good metaphor. But हमने सोचा कि अब मिल के एक बार आवाज उठाते हैं और थोड़े फोकस तरह से उठाते हैं और थोड़े प्लान्ड तरह से उठाते हैं. इधर उधर हम लोग ट्वीट करते रहे. So this is the first time we are all coming together for a planned first effort to get our credits. I mean, of the songs we have written, and we deserve those credits.
Of course. Swanand, I'll come to you. When you all decided to come together, was it easy to convince everyone who all are a part of it? Because right now I have 4 of you.
Well, it was very easy. This is a problem which everybody is facing, and we as lyricists as a community, it was in fact. Varun came up with this idea that chalo, let's. The basic idea which came was a master idea was that let's make a song. We made a song and let's set a tone to this basically what do you call it, rebel, or what do you call it, this fight. Let's set a tone, and that's setting the tone part was the correct tone. And so I sent this song. Mostly I send them, they send the songs, and everybody was first they had a smile. First they wanted to do, "What a fantastic! Let's do this. So that way everybody understands this and everybody faces this. This is a very practical problem. If you open a streaming app and you can't see the lyricist name anywhere, and you can't search a song by the name of the lyricist. And this is not only about our generation. If you go back. अगर आप साहिर साहब का गाना नहीं मिल रहा है आपको, आनंद बख्शी के गाने नहीं मिल रहे आपको तो आप एक पूरी की पूरी आर्ट को which is an art in itself of writing lyrics for cinema, उसको आप डिसोन उसको आप उसका वजूद ही आप मान नहीं रहे हो, आप ये कह रहे हो कि वो होती नहीं है, वो नहीं है, कोई करता ही नहीं है ये, जबकि पॉसिबल नहीं है। हिंदी फिल्म का गाना अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है कि अगर आपको वर्ड्स उसके नहीं अच्छे लग रहे हो तो आप सुनेंगे उसको। हम तमिल गाने उस तरह से नहीं ज्यादा सुन पाते ना, अगर हमको समझ में नहीं आ रही है बात,
नहीं आते
के लिए कुछ लोग सुनते होंगे, लेकिन तो मेरा ये कहना, तो हम लोगों ने जब ये बात हमारे लोगों से की तो देन इट वाज जस्ट एवरीबॉडी just started, and it happened.
Right. Sir, you tell us about this song. These are viewers who, in case they have not seen the song, yes, tell them, they're watching right now, what exactly is this song? What was the idea behind it?
So the like Swanand said, that the master idea came from Varun, that, let us put forward this issue in a way that we know best. So we know to do our jobs, which is write songs.
Right.
So we got together, wrote this song. Again, the idea was Varun's. He kind of wrote something, what we call the Mukra, and we decided. And I don't even know if it was a decision. I think it was just in our collective consciousness, we knew that ये मुद्दा है, इसको सामने लाना है और एक ऐसे टोन में लाना है कि सबको समझ में आए, सबको अच्छा लगे और एक रिस्पेक्टफुली और एक ब्रॉड बेस्ड तरीके से बात सब तक पहुंच जाए. एंड आई थिंक द सॉन्ग हैज डन दैट, जस्ट दैट लाइन, क्रेडिट दे दो यार, can't be more simply put. And it also has a lightness of touch, which I suppose does not feed into the cynicism of the times, because I really feel that, if you're going to put your point across in a manner which is strong and effective, I hope the people take notice. The audience, the listening viewers there's so much of love and support from people, from composers, from directors, from the fraternity at large. So मुझे लगता है, and that the credit of that goes to the tone and the intention behind the song.
Right. And like you rightly said, to make it respectfully, and you all have really achieved that. I really, really enjoyed it. Amitabh, to you, when you or someone goes to a app or a label or someone and says that this is what is missing, it's our name, it's our work, what is the initial response? Are they forthcoming and saying, okay, we'll work on it, or is it a complete no that they've decided?
See, to be very honest, I think that's what is happening for the first time. We have all been talking about it, thinking about this issue. That, whenever we search our songs on these apps and platforms, and the page opens up, so there's the composer's name and there are the singers' names. हमारा नाम वहाँ पे नहीं है, and always that first glimpse of it does prick. एक बार वो खटकता है कि यार मेरा नाम नहीं है. And it's so ironical that songs, we recollect or recall songs, remember songs by the name of it. गाने के नाम से हम उसको याद करते हैं. दम मारो दम, चिंगारी कोई भड़के, हम ऐसे गाना याद करते हैं, बट जिसने वो नामकरण किया है उसका, उसी का नाम वहां से गाया था. So it always pricks, but and we had been talking about it, discussing it, कभी पहला कदम लिया नहीं गया. So this is, I think, the first time it's happening, and now we have to see what happens from here on. And obviously, credit goes to these two gentlemen. को हम लोग बात ही करते रह गए, इन्होंने पहला कदम लिया, and we were gladly very happy to join in and participate in it.
So now it's like a concerted movement or a campaign where we've all come together, and yes, Varun and Swanand have kind of bookended that.
Right. Varun,
गाना नहीं आया था.
जी.
नहीं, वो तो उसका गाना नहीं आया था. वहाँ उसका एल्बम रिलीज हुआ था, पूरा का पूरा आंखों देखी का एल्बम, और उसका उसमें क्रेडिट मिसिंग था, नाम मिसिंग था. तो वरुण ने कॉल आउट किया, तो मैंने भी उसको सपोर्ट किया, और उसी टाइम मुझे फिर ऐसा लगा कि यार, फिर और भी वो दिल बेचारा का भी चल रहा था, वो भी स्पॉटिफाई पे मैं देख रहा था कि अमिताभ का नाम नहीं. तो फिर मैंने वो उसको बात को शुरू किया, और हमने शुरू करने से अच्छा, मैं सच बताऊं तो लोगों ने इसको बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट दिया. जिस तरह से लोग इसमें कूदे, मीडिया जिसमें आया, बहुत सारे लोग आके हमसे कहने लगे कि यार ये तो गलत है, ये तो गलत है, ये तो गलत है. तो हमें पब्लिक सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा मिला से दैट. तो उसकी वजह से हमको और थोड़ी सी ऊर्जा मिली कि हमने कहा चलो गाना बनाते हैं और ये करते हैं.
And that's when we realized कि actually everybody had noticed it, everybody was aware of it. कोई पहली आवाज कोई उठाए बस शायद इस चीज की देर. That's what. Yeah.
Right. In fact, Varun, I saw your tweets today also, and at the end of the song, you come and say you are not living in some illusion where people will recognize you. That doesn't hold true for you. So, but what I want to ask you is, Varun, what next? Now you have made the song, you all have united, you all are talking about it, you all are tweeting, calling out every place possible. Jan, I'm missing it. What next? How will this be achieved?
Okay, so how will this be achieved? एक दो चीजें यहाँ पे, लाइक एनी प्रोटेस्ट, दिस इज स्लाइटली स्वतः स्फूर्त बोलते हैं जिसको, लाइक सेल्फ फ्यूलिंग और लाइक दैट, खुद से शुरू हुआ है, अचानक से शुरू हुआ है. So we don't really have like a proper as clean a plan as a corporate would have at this point to tackle
right.
us.
Sure.
उनके पास होंगी टीम बैठी होगी जो सोच रही होगी कि अच्छा अब अगला ट्वीट आएगा तो क्या करना है, अभी चुप रहना है, कितने दिन रहना है, क्या करना है. वैसा प्लान नहीं है हमारे पास, बट वी स्टिल हैव, डेफिनेटली वी हैव प्लान्स एंड वी हैव सपोर्ट एंड वी हैव ट्राइंग टू नाउ गो थ्रू सम ऑफिशियल चैनल्स. वी हैव काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटेड अवेयरनेस जो हमारी पहली जरूरत थी. और हम चाहते हैं कि उसके बाद हम ऑफिशियली वी आर नाउ रीचिंग आउट ओके थ्रू written appeals, through emails and all to these whatever parties who are supposed to give us credit. और देखते हैं वहां से क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है. और हमें उम्मीद है कि with this kind of awareness they will understand the problem. They will understand that one, it's part of a tradition. It is an art which we are right now insulting in a way. And two, we won't take it lying down. ये दो चीजें शायद उनको समझ आएंगी. और तीसरा, हम फिर भी प्यार से ही बोलेंगे. वो हमारी पहली जरूरत ये है कि हम प्यार से गांधीगिरी कह लीजिए उसको, या जो भी, या सबने अवज्ञा कह लीजिए, जो भी कह लीजिए, वो हम प्यार से करते रहेंगे.
Right. That's very important to go with a positive approach and not, but say Javed Saab fought for royalties and eventually it was achieved. But writers, if you see by and large, you see Gulzar Saab, you see Javed Saab, I see all four of you, all mostly calm people. Is that also, does that play a role where someone feels, okay, they won't have a problem, they won't push us, they don't come across like fighters who will reach my office and there'll be a showdown. So is that the reason?
No, my point is that we see जिसके पास, those who have it, they don't show it. हमारे पास शब्द संपदा है तो हम उसका गलत इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, हम उसको बहुत सहेज के खर्च करते हैं. लेकिन हमें ये भी पता है, because see what we are doing is all these people who are writing words are making things change in the society for this reason or that reason. You write film songs, you write songs for, you also write songs for protest, you also write songs for social issues, you write songs for political parties and campaigns, and you also write songs for toilet cleaners. So your words make a difference.
Right.
They do make a difference. तो अगर आपकी, तो हमारी आवाज तो यही होगी. और इसीलिए हमारे अंदर वो है कि हमें जाके झगड़ा करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. हम इसीलिए काम हो जाते हैं अपने आप में. ये हो जाते हैं कि हमारे शब्द जब वो काम कर सकते हैं तो हम क्यों जाके वहां पे किसी के साथ सिर फड़ोबल करें. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये कि तो पर वो बहुत बड़ी पावर है जो हमको इस गाने के साथ, मेरे ख्याल से गाना हिस्ट्री में पहला ऐसा गाना है, मतलब उसको मैं क्लेम करना चाहूंगा कि इस तरह का कोई प्रोटेस्ट लिरिसिस्ट खुद अपने गाने के साथ अपना प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं ना. ऐसा कभी किसी ने सोचा नहीं था. तो हमको उसकी पावर दिखाई दे रही है, बिकॉज एवरीबडी इज सपोर्टिंग अस राइट नाउ. सो I don't think we don't have to take that path only. That's my point of view. Maybe
sure.
People also think Rohit. Please go on.
No, I just one thing I was saying in the proverbial, don't test the patience of a patient woman.
नहीं, also I think what Rohit asked, जो रोहित ने, आपने जो सवाल किया कि मेरे ख्याल से because शायद हमारा कहीं ना कहीं perception and image ये है कि we are that nice, सभ्य, gullible lot, कि यार ये तो बुरा नहीं मानेंगे, कुछ बोलेंगे नहीं, शायद उसी की वजह से our names have been lost out. अगर हम वैसे ना होते शायद ये नौबत नहीं आती.
ये भी बात सही है.
Right. Is there, in this whole scheme of things, ये apps है, YouTube channels है, सब कुछ है, is there anyone जिसने song देख के आप लोग की बातचीत करके, anyone out of all these have been forthcoming and so far and said yes, we'll take the first step and do it? अब तक
again it's the proverbial radio silence right now. In fact, I think Varun, we were discussing this earlier, and Varun can shed more light on the fact that there are some false claims that the names are being given, which is not true at all. Isn't that right, Varun?
Yeah, there are some false claims in the sense they are not. But I have heard from very unofficial sources, I can't say कि कुछ हलचल हुआ है. but it's very unofficial, so we cannot say कि ऐसा. पर हाँ, officially किसी ने एक tweet का जवाब भी नहीं दिया. They have not said कि okay, we'll look into this. Only उतना भी किसी ने.
हाँ, एकदम टिपिकल जो अगर मैं Spotify को लिख दूं इस समय ट्विटर पे कि मैं Spotify पे ये गाना नहीं ढूंढ पा रहा हूँ, some random, you know, very their PR or whatever Twitter person will come and say, okay, we'll take care of your whatever query and you know please share your ID or something. कोई भी जवाब नहीं. इतनी शांति है, इतना सन्नाटा है जैसे ना वो शादी हो रही हो किसी की और उसमें हम पहुंच जाएं बच्चा लेके कि ये तुम्हारा बच्चा है. उस तरह की शांति है यहाँ पे. बुराए हुए हैं वो लोग शायद, क्या है पता नहीं, बट कोई ऑफिशियली अभी तक कोई रिस्पांस नहीं है, which is also kind of response.
No news is good news.
Right.
Yeah.
You know, I just feel that, you know, it's such a simple thing. If I want to search, say, Swanand Kirkire, and I search and I get all the songs, it's convenient for me as a consumer as well. So YouTube के जो you know description होता है, उसमें अगर मैं 2 लाइन एक्स्ट्रा डाल दूं या 4 भी डाल दूं, उसमें ना किसी का कुछ पैसे जा रहे हैं, ना किसी का स्पेस जा रहा है.
और so ये ridiculous, it's almost ridiculous why these things are left out, you know. Also apart from the fact कि भाई आपने कुछ काम किया, उसको लोग जान ही नहीं पा रहे हैं, या आपको you know वो जैसे अमिताभ ने कहा वो खटकता है, वो सब तो है ही, but it's also kind of, you know, you kind of आपका जो कैटलॉग है वो faulty है, वो incomplete है, ना सिर्फ आर्टिस्ट का पर आपके प्लेटफॉर्म का भी. So you are sending out, you know, half information, misinformation, wrong information. Like for example, if on the Rockstar page, if it says composer, lyricist A.R. Rahman, that's not true. Of course, the composer is A.R. Rahman. Yeah.
Just I'll clarify. Song written by, like in Moh ke Dhage, song writer Anu Malik.
Yeah. Right.
Songwriter. Chalo, by that Western logic, I go and say maybe he had written the melody. That's why. But lyricist not there. He's written the melody. That's why he's given. Yeah. But in Rockstar or All Is Well, it is Swanand Kirkire, a song written by Shantanu Moitra and Swanand Kirkire, or A.R. Rahman and Irshad Kamil. So it's wrong in 2 ways. You know, Irshad Kamil has not written the score, and A.R. Rahman has not written the lyrics.
Right.
And a little while ago, you mentioned the fight about royalty. I'm not sure, and I should bring this up with my colleagues. But for example, a lot of the listening data that is collected then translates in some way into some royalty, right? So absolutely. I'm sure so you are losing out not only on credit, on name, on your career sort of chart, but also actually real money. You know, it's also due to you.
Right. Also, there is one more thing, you know, if you search Swanand Kirkire as a singer, you will get a proper thing. You also, they have a like for Spotify or anybody, they have a Spotify artist app. If you go on that app, you register on that app, and you get beautiful, great data in terms of what songs of yours are doing well, how they are doing well, where are they playing, what kind of age group people are listening to those songs. They surprise you sometimes with the songs you never expected to be कि यार इनको कोई सुन भी रहा होगा. So all these perceptions of hits and flops which they are presenting to us can change.
Right. You know, since this doesn't take any money or space or anything, have you all understood from your friends where this is coming from? Not adding a name.
I think it is simply a culture of not respecting the writers.
Not respecting.
Apathy.
That is the core, that writers really don't matter. You know, writers are supposed to be hidden, which is a part of the magic of cinema, that there's no writer, as Swanand sir was saying yesterday. सिनेमा बना उस तरह से है कि जो क्रिएटर्स हैं वो पीछे रहें और वो गायब रहें, और इतना रियल सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ तब आएगा जब आप जो देख रहे हैं आपको लगे कि अमिताभ बच्चन ही गा रहे हैं, उन्होंने ही लिखा है, सब कुछ उनका है.
Right.
उस कल्चर में राइटर पीछे होते गए, और इतने पीछे हो गए कि लोगों ने जो बना रहे थे उन्होंने भी ये मानना शुरू कर दिया कि नहीं है,
ये पीछे ही. And that culture, it's a vicious cycle. वो since वो it's not talked about, it's not thought about, it's not mentioned, and since it's not being mentioned, it's not being thought about and talked about. तो वो
Exactly.
चला जा रहा है उसमें. That culture needs to change.
Also, with this apps which have come from outside, no, there is a different issue there. You know, there are these two issues which we deal with. One is that YouTube पे तो किसी को कुछ लगता नहीं है तो आप दे सकते हो. लेकिन ये app, they are not designed for Indian kind of way. So they don't release Hindi films. There are no film songs there. That's this thing. So they don't have a system to do that. You know, they're whatever you call it, the algorithm, the technology, they don't have a system. They never thought of this. And when they were launching, somebody must have told them कि यार ये ऐसा हो सकता है. उन्होंने कहा होगा चलो देखते जब होगा तब देखेंगे. तो 2 साल तो हो गए. अब वो देखने का टाइम आ गया.
Right. No, but you know, the fact that you all have come together, what about your musician friends, you know, because you all work so closely with them, are they in sync with you? You know, because you will need a lot of support if this goes ahead.
Yes.
These are composers are supportive, yes, absolutely.
So we got support from A.R. Rahman, we got support from Vishal Dadlani, Preetam, Shantanu Moitra, they have tweeted about
Amit
us.
Trivedi, Salim Suleiman.
Amit Trivedi, Salim Suleiman, they have also. Even Sonu Nigam has released the video.
Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal.
So, yeah, we have support that way. And we have a lot of support from media.
Right, of course. You know, ये एक हक की लड़ाई है, which is always the case, you know, whenever credit is taken, पहले से चलता है. Javed Saab has his own stories, Salim Saab has his own stories. But, you know, we thought we were done with this. Why does this keep coming back?
We thought we were done with many things.
Look at each generation has to take up its own fight. So ये somebody mentioned right now कि अब क्योंकि this whole technology of apps and streaming platforms, it's a today's generation आज का मामला है. So शायद हमारी generation को we'll have to take it up.
Every time the medium changes, no, I've seen that. Every time the medium of consuming music changes, the fight again starts from zero.
From scratch. Yeah.
From scratch. So whether it's, you know, in between when Varun was saying, you know, there was no fashion of giving credit in the song promos when they were shown on TV. We had to fight for that. Then private FM radio channels, we had to fight there. So every time the mode changes, they somehow start with like मत दो देखेंगे फिर ये बोलेंगे तो देंगे तो वो culture वही वाला है.
Right. Great. You know, just as an outsider, I see there's so much strength in this unity of that, and also the way you all are doing the song you all have put out. I really, really hope that next time I search any of your name, I can see a list of all your songs because I'm a fan of all of you. So best of luck. Please take this ahead, and we are always with you in this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you.